Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to tackle a common issue in Jujutse Shenanigans, changing maps. Whether you are stuck on a level or just want to explore new environments, this tutorial is for you. Jujutse Shenanigans offer a variety of maps, each with its unique challenge and gameplay experiences. However, navigating through them can be tricky. Let's dive into how you can easily switch between maps. To start changing maps, you need to access the map selection menu. This is usually found into game's main menu or during gameplay by pausing and selecting the maps option. Once you are in the map selection menu, you will see a list of available maps. Browse through them and choose the one you want to play on. Make sure you have the necessary permissions or unlock for the map you select. After selecting your map, the game will prompt you to confirm the change. Click confirm and load map to start loading the new environment. These might take a few seconds depending on your system's performance. And that's it. You should now be playing on your chosen map. If you have any more question or need help with other Justice Jujutsu Shenanigans features, leave a comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and the problem solving videos.